morning, everyone. We welcome you to our 25th grand celebration of Dreamhouse Realty.
Happy anniversary at Dreamhouse Realty and birthday celebration of our beloved broker, Sir Rodelio Parapina.
70th birthday of our beloved executive broker, Sir Rodel Parapina. Thank you.
25 years anniversary, Dreamhouse.
Happy 25th anniversary,
Dreamhouse Realty, and happy birthday to our executive broker, Sir Rodel Parapina.
Happy 25th anniversary sa Dreamhouse and happy birthday kay Sweetheart.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Natutuwa kaming makasama kayo sa mahalagang okasyon na ito habang ginugunita namin ang isang quarter century ng kahusayan, dedication, and remarkable achievement in real estate selling.
Happy birthday, Sir Rodel. Happy birthday, ma'am. Salamat po sa partnership at another 25 years.
Happy anniversary to Dreamhouse. Congratulations on reaching this big milestone of being 25 years in this industry. Happy birthday, Sir Rodel and Ma'am Vanji. Thank you for the continuous support that you give us and all the things that you do. Thank you.
Mabuhay pa po at marami pa pong yayaman at lalong yayaman dito sa DHR family. Maraming salamat, sir, and happy birthday.
Hati kayo on your 25th anniversary. From the head and up to the staff ninyo. Thank you very much for helping all the developers. Kung wala po kayo, wala kami.
I extend a heartfelt congratulations, DHR, on its 25th anniversary. And to Sir Rodelio and Ma'am Vanji, happy birthday po. Solar Community Project. So, hope this event will have enjoy each other's company. And sabi nga po ng mga developers na kasama natin, kung wala po kayo, wala din po kami ngayon dito.
Thank you po for welcoming us here, and in behalf of My City Homes, we wish you continuous success. Happy anniversary po for the 25 years, and happy birthday po, Sir Rodel and Ma'am Angie. Thank you po.
Morning po sa lahat. Una po sa lahat, happy 25th anniversary po sa Dreamhouse Realty. Maraming salamat, Sir Rodel, Ma'am Angie, sa lahat po ng suporta na ibinigay ninyo sa Raymulan Projects, particularly po sa Pagsibol Village Project natin. So yung mga seller po natin ng Pagsibol dyan, maraming salamat po dahil po last year nag-top 3 po.
Happy 25th year anniversary, Sir Rodel, Ma'am Vanji, and Sir Ramel. Thank you for inviting us po. In behalf of Apex Homes, thank you very much po for inviting us. Ito po yung first time namin maka-attend ng ganitong gathering sa Dreamhouse.
Day po, samantalang pasensya na po. Magkakaroon po kami ng open house. Yun po. Thank you and happy anniversary po sa lahat.